Now finally inside, set to go now, race number 7. Horses down, Cherokee Chase moving about the outside. She's so small. In the middle portion, Taal Volcano, then followed by Prima Donna. Toscana comes next. Is running by the road, Her Highness Diamond Lane. Taal Volcano, the leader by about 2 lengths, and in second is She's So Small. Racing in third, Prima Donna, then followed by Toscana in fourth, Cherokee Chase. Her Highness Diamond Lane, Victory Choice. We have Taal Volcano. She's So Small is on the outside second. Prima Donna is racing in third, Toscana in fourth. Diamond Lane in favor. Taal Volcano, She's So Small on the outside second. Toscana in third, Prima Donna in fourth, then followed by Diamond Lane. But it's still Taal Volcano by about half a length. She's So Small once again on the outside second. Then racing in third, Toscana, then followed by Her Highness Prima Donna. Now we have She's So Small by about half a length. Taal Volcano in second, Toscana, as they come down at the last of the day. And it's still She's So Small. Taal Volcano in second, Toscana. She's So Small by about 2 lengths. Taal Volcano, Toscana, Prima Donna. That's 75 meters. And it's still She's So Small. And finally, Senor Patrick Uy on She's So Small. Taal Volcano, Diamond Lane. Then comes 3A.